Okay, so hope you have successfully installed your Typing Master. If you did, your Typing Master appear here anywhere on your monitor or your screen, right? Good. But if it is not there, come to your File Explorer. You go to Downloads. When you go to download, you see Typing Master there. All right. Good. So you can click on it and it will open. So let's double click to open our Typing Master. You double click and wait for it to open. All right. So the way that you continue with your name, just take enter. If your name shows, take enter. So these are the lessons: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. We are starting with the first, studying this and that lesson, another lesson. We'll take all these lessons gradually. So we start with touch. Did you see that? Let me go back. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, over 6 lessons here, and each lesson has its own duration. This one is 3 minutes. Lesson number 1. So these are touch typing basics. So it's going to teach you how you need to touch your keyboard. So let's click on it. So you can read the things which are there. Alright, when you're using your keyboard, you're placing all your fingers. Just take time and read what is there. So you take next. This is how you place your finger. You are typing with, you have 4 fingers on the right, on the left. Then these other 2 thumbs, they are used to press the space bar. So this a small finger goes to A on your keyboard. This other one goes to S. This one Z. This one F. That's how it always has to be. Then this one J, K, L, semicolon. It must be like that. Alright. So you need to learn that is finger positioning. That's what I've called this lesson finger positions. That is the position where your fingers need to be. Now, this A, S, D, F, J, K, L, semicolon, they are called the home row. Home row. Home is where you live. No matter where you go during the day, you go and turn around, you still come back to your home, right? So whether you come and you type here, you click here, you click anything, when you still come back to this home row, you place your fingers here. Alright. Now when you look at F and J on your keyboard, you realize that if you touch it, there is a small high line on F and J on your keyboard. Alright. It is only F and J that have that thing, they call it the bomb. Alright. That thing there is to make you know, is to help you find your home row. So when you're finding your home row with your key, anything that you touch, any key that you touch on the right and the left, having that line, it shows that that is a home row. And one rule of typing is that you don't look at keys when you're typing. Alright, you look at the screen. Okay, so you need to train yourself to look at the screen, then you're typing correctly. Okay, so how to type letter U? Make sure your fingers are on the home row. Are you seeing? So if you want to type another letter, say letter U, which is on top of J, your finger should be on the home row. Then you remove that finger which is on J, you click now on U. When you click U, you come back to J. Are you seeing? If you want to click I, your finger which is on K, you remove it from K and you go to I. So you always use the space bar to give the gap. So you keep your eyes on the monitor. Are you seeing? Keep your eyes on the monitor while typing. These are learning tips. Keep your eyes on the monitor. Monitor is a screen. So you are not looking at the keys. That is the practice that you are doing. For you to become a professional expert in typing, don't look at the keyboard. Look at the monitor. That's the screen. Your wrist. Keep your wrist up and straight. So you keep your wrist up and straight, just like you're seeing in this picture. You don't put your wrist on your keyboard. Don't take your rigs. This rigs place where you put your watch. Don't put it on your keyboard. Alright, good. Focus on accuracy. That is it. Alright. So you want to focus on accuracy, means ensure that you are typing the words correctly. Go to next. Are you ready to start? Just a few more tips. Relaxed position. Sit upright. So when you want to type, sit upright, sit straight. Alright. Don't bend your back because your back will start hurting. Sit upright. Close to the body. Your elbows should be close to your body. Alright, these elbows should be closed. Don't open your elbows like this. Keep them close to your body. Okay, taking breaks. Take breaks between exercises. So as it is like that, Once you do an exercise, you take a break. All right, maybe you type today, you type tomorrow, take a break. The third day, don't do any exercise, just take a break. Then you come back the next day. That is how I'll be doing it. That's how I'll be sending you typing exercises alongside the lesson. Posting on exercise. To post an exercise, click the post button. You see the whole post button. All right, so that's how I do it. So take okay. We go to the now we'll go to lesson number 2 in the next video.